Hello everyone, I hope everything is fine and welcome to my channel English Vibes. Here is Katie Surelli and we are going to study about sentences. Look at these words. She, her aunt is, he's playing cricket. As you are seeing here, she, her aunt is a group of words, but it not make any proper sense. But in second sentence, he is playing cricket. It is making a proper sense with full stop and first letter capital. So first of all, we want to know what is sentence. Sentence क्या है? Sentence is a group of words that are put together to mean something. Means sentence वर्ड्स का एक ग्रुप होता है जिसकी स्टार्टिंग कैपिटल लेटर से होती है और एंडिंग फुल स्टॉप से या क्वेश्चन मार्क से या एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क से होती है और जिसका प्रॉपर सेंस बने. Sentence is a set of words that contain subject, the topic of the sentence, predicate, what is said about the subject. सेंटेंस मीन वाक्य के दो पार्ट्स होते हैं, एक सब्जेक्ट जो मेन होता है और एक प्रेडिकेट जो मेन सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जिसमें कुछ कहा जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द डॉग इज बार्किंग. हियर द डॉग इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड इज बार्किंग इज द प्रेडिकेट. यहाँ पे डॉग मेन सब्जेक्ट है और बार्किंग उसके बारे में बोला गया है. एंड रितु इज फ्लाइंग अ काइट. रितु इज सब्जेक्ट एंड इज फ्लाइंग अ काइट प्रेडिकेट. So next is the types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. First type of sentence, assertive sentences. An assertive sentence simply makes a statement, expression and opinion, or it declare or tell the opinion of anybody. So for example, I want to be a good writer. Mom is cooking dinner. These are only the statement or opinion. Second type is the imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives a command, make a request, or it end with full stop, sometime end with exclamation mark. For example, I need you to get out of the room. Please sit down. These are the order or request. Next type, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask a question. ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं जिनका एंड हमेशा क्वेश्चन मार्क से होता है और जिनकी स्टार्टिंग इन वर्ड से होती है. हु, व्हाट, विच. So for example, do you know what the weather will be tomorrow? Or when will you submit your homework? Next type is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses great emotions such as excitement, surprise, fear, happiness, joy. For example, it is too dangerous to climb that mountain and I got an A on my book report. So these are the sentences and its types. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.